listen to today we are going to be looking
Stole,
at this
stole,
game called
stole,
Aviation
stole.
Assembly. It's a pretty cool game. Plus, I heard if you yeah, if you make a YouTube video and send it to the creator, you can get a free rocket engine. So I'm gonna be making the Concorde with that thing. But today we are going to be building some weird planes. So let's get straight into it. Oh my bro, I'm gonna call this thing the Fear is Flyer, yeah. Because I know this is about to be fire. Bro, like, look at this. Who won't say no to buy this? It's looking good, bro. Looking good. Alright, let's just add a tail. Let's add some... Oh, wait. I might actually add... like, a lot of engines. Yeah, you think I should do that? Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Wait, what if I stack the engines? Oh, nah, glitch. Yeah, let's just squeeze it in the middles here. Oh, yeah! Yeah, now let's just add propellers on this side. Looking good. Yeah! So, here's my hideous creation that I've made. And let's just add some floats. So it can float. Now we need some gears. Gear, 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 gear. Ah, yes. This is going to be the best plane it ever
Stole,
been.
stole,
Come on,
stole,
you can do
stole.
this. I can't control it, but it flies. Dude, if the developer's watching this, please add inverted controls. It's so hard to control a plane without inverted controls. Please! Anyways, let's see small plane. Alright, let's add a cockpit. Let's make like a fighter jet type thing. We need a tail. A long tail, bet. Tail wing. Bro, this thing looks so bad, bruh. Let's go with the 45-degree wing. Or no. I don't know my math, okay? So now we need some left wings. There we go. Alright. Dude, I need that jet engine. A huge jet engine. This is about to be the most sick plane you are gonna ever see. Cause look at this masterpiece. I love it. Oh yeah, in the big planes you forgot to add the end, so it's called ladder gear. Oh my gosh, bro, what is it? Bro, what is this? Oh my... Not gonna lie. slowing down the sound. That's pretty cool. But weird at the same time. Alright, who cares about the runway? We gotta... Oh! Yes! Landed! Wow! Wow! Nice splash effects. Nice splash effects. But maybe next video, I might make the Concorde. I might. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, the new updates was really cool. Don't forget to buy my merchandise on Roblox. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day.